New developments in the disappearance of an Indianapolis baby. The ex-boyfriend of baby Amaya's mom accepted a plea deal, but the baby's mother will still face trial. Amaya was 8 months old when she was last seen back in 2019.
This investigation has been ongoing for years, and police are still working to figure out what happened to her. Fox 59's Jenny Drasler joins us now with an update and what's next in this case. Jenny.
Well, Dan and Beershell, Robert Lyons took a plea deal for his charges today, and the prosecutor's office tells us that means he now faces up to 10 years in prison. The deal does not include his cooperation in the case against Amaya's mom, Amber, or help in finding Amaya's body. But the prosecutor's office says the deal does not prohibit the state from calling Lyons as a witness or to testify down the road.
On Thursday, Robert Lyons agreed to plead guilty to 1 count of neglect of a dependent resulting in serious bodily injury, a level 3 felony. As part of the plea deal, 3 lesser felony charges filed against him were dismissed.
It's been a long 5 years.
Organizers with the Justice for Amaya social media initiative were disappointed in Thursday's decision.
I just want her to seek some kind of justice. She was 8 months old, and I've said this a million times. She never got a chance to talk. She never got a chance to walk, have a first birthday. She never had a shot at life.
8-month-old Amaya was last seen on March 9th, 2019, but her mother, Amber Robertson, didn't report her missing until March 16th. At the time, Robertson told police that she'd given Amaya to Lyons, her boyfriend, who was supposed to drop the girl off at a babysitter's house. And while some of baby Amaya's belongings were found near Eagle Creek, Amaya has never been found. We spoke to Indianapolis lawyer John Tompkins, who is not involved with the case, about what this plea deal means.
It is something that gives both sides a little bit. It avoids the trial for the state. It does cap at a relatively low level, but still aggravated level.
There are still questions about how much Lyons or Robertson knows about Amaya's whereabouts, which is information Tompkins says defense lawyers and the prosecutors will keep close to the vest.
If there is cooperation involved, that is not going to be in a publicly filed document, either in state court or federal court.
Now, a judge will determine Lyons' exact sentence at a hearing which is scheduled for May 10th. Again, he faces up to 10 years in prison. As for Amaya's mother, Amber Robertson also appeared in court today, and since she's not taking a plea deal, she's scheduled to go to trial on June 24th. Beershell?